Hi, I'm Mahalakshmi. I'm back with another facial oil serum which I've been using for some time and I really like it. This facial oil consists of some wonderful carrier oils which are rich in vitamin E and are nourishing. It consists of some soy squalane, watermelon seed oil, tomato seed oil, safflower oil and pomegranate seed oil. It also contains essential oils, rosewood, rose geranium, turmeric root and frankincense. All of these are under 0.5%. Generally, it is not recommended to use more than 0.5% or 1% on facial products. So I have limited the total concentration to 0.5%. Turmeric root is used at 0.05%, which is 1 drop in 30 grams. Even the 1 drop has a really strong smell that the entire serum has that turmeric kind of smell. It really makes a good base for this serum. It also contains vitamin C extract, which is known for its soothing properties. Let's see how to make this facial serum. To make this serum, we would need these carrier oils, these essential oils and extract. While making this, I will show you the oils that are required and their respective weights. Okay, so it's a one pot or a single beaker formulation. You don't need to heat it and melt it or something. So we are going to make a 30 gram batch, and the first one that required is soy squalane, pomegranate seed oil of 6 gram, next safflower oil of 7.5 grams, and the last one is watermelon seed oil. I will leave the supplier details in the description box if you want to check. Okay, these are the carrier oils which we would require. Now coming to the extracts and essential oils, I will first add vitamin C extract. We would need it of 0.6 gram. Okay, instead of doing tear, I will measure the essential oils here because the usage rate is very less. It will be difficult to measure it in 0.001 or 0.01 gram. Okay, the first one is geranium essential oil of 0.606 gram. It will be 2 or 3 drops. Next one is rosewood essential oil of same 0.06 gram. I'll add 1 drop of it. Now we will add vitamin E of 0.06 gram. Okay, I have added 1 drop of turmeric root essential oil which weighs 0.03 gram. If you add more turmeric root essential oil, it will have a overpowering smell. Now we will stir it using glassware just to mix everything. If you find the turmeric root essential oil smell overpowering, you can completely skip that. I will now refill my bottle. And that's how we make turmeric and rose facial oil. For a demo, it absorbs quickly, but it is a thicker oil. It is better to use in dry winter months or in night. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.